Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Pau and today I'm gonna share an idea that will keep your account safe moving forward. But first, who is this video really for? Well, it's for all new Amazon FBA sellers. So that means if you are researching about Amazon FBA, if you are in the process of starting your Amazon FBA business and you're watching a lot of YouTube videos and reading maybe some blog posts about Amazon FBA, well, then this video is actually made for you. And the reason I made this video is because when I'm reading online at the moment, I see so many people get their account suspended, and people get their account suspended because they are violating Amazon's terms of service. And well, naturally, when you first start out, obviously nobody wants to violate Amazon's terms of service, but what happens if you don't know is that you might do something that actually goes and violates those terms and get your account suspended. So this video is for you to keep your account safe and know how to deal with all this moving forward so you don't get suspended. Let me tell you a little story from what happened to one of my products when I had been selling for about 6 months. This was this is in the health niche. There are some more strict rules about what you can claim, what you can not claim. And what I did when I first started out was to study my competition. What did they do? What did they claim? And then I just pretty much copied what they did. So they claimed the different things that this product could do. And while it's true, this product in fact could do this that we all claimed, I got then an email from Amazon 6 months later, and they said that it had gotten to their attention that I was claiming something on my package that wasn't allowed. So this was not within Amazon's terms of service. So what happened? Well, they shut down my product. So what I had to do at that point was to withdraw that product from Amazon's fulfillment center. I had to get a company to repackage my product, to delete those claims on the back of the packaging, and then I could send the product back in. So I lost several months doing this, and I lost a lot of money, and I lost all my ranking that my product was having. That stopped just like that, just because I violated their terms of service. Here's how I want you to think about this idea. Well, right now you're watching a YouTube video, and after you watch this YouTube video, you might watch another YouTube video. And in the process of starting your business, you will watch many YouTube videos, and all of those videos will say something to you. They will claim something to you. They will tell you, okay, if you do this, X, Y, and Z, you will experience this benefit right here. The thing is that just because they said it in the video, and that actually might work, it might also be against terms of service. So what I want you to do is, before you implement anything into your business yourself, from anything you have heard or read online, I want to ask yourself, can this be against terms of service? Can I get my account in trouble for doing this? If you ask yourself this question every time, you will be safe, because you have always asked yourself if you are doing something that is against terms of service. Just because everybody is doing something, that doesn't mean it's right. We might think it's right because everybody's doing it, and that's just normal human behavior, but just because everybody's doing it, that doesn't make it right. Let me give you a quick example. Let's say you take an insert, for example. And most people on Amazon, they have an insert inside their package, and they have their website on, and they have their email on, because they want to give good customer service. So if they have any issues, they can write to this customer service email and get their thing resolved. Amazon doesn't allow you to pull customers outside of Amazon, to contact them outside of Amazon's own platform. So you're actually not allowed to give an email and talk to them outside of Amazon's platform. And I know everybody's doing it, but that doesn't mean that you cannot get your account suspended because of doing it. And this small thing, I'm not sure that because you put an email, I haven't heard anyone actually get suspended because of this, but just because I haven't heard it, that doesn't mean that people don't get suspended doing it. You understand what I mean? Just because someone's saying something and just because they say you can do this, that doesn't mean that you can do this. Maybe this person actually believes that you can, but in reality, you cannot because it's against terms of service. So always ask yourself if what you're doing before you implement anything, if it's against terms of service or not. If it is, then don't do it. So if you follow this advice, it's my hope that you will only read about people getting suspended, all those horror stories. You will only have to read about them. You will actually not be one of them. Always be a bit skeptical about this stuff, because Amazon is guilty until proven innocent. They always suspend you and shut you down, and then you have to prove yourself later on. It's not the opposite way around. So keep your account safe, and I'll see you in the next video.